Hello everybody, welcome back. So today we are making a copycat Shamrock shake. So when I was Googling this, I'm like, I had the name or the term Shamrock shake in my mind, and I had no idea it was from McDonald's. I had no idea it looked like the way it did. I don't know where, because I don't think we have them in Canada. I don't know. But apparently they're popular. And apparently there's like this huge controversy about how unhealthy they are. So because of like the chemicals or the flavorings that are used. So I thought that we'd make this at home just because it's fun. A lot of people seem to love it, and this is a healthier version. I don't know. There's no like gross kind of syrup in it at all. Like, you can definitely control what you add to it. So if you're worried about it being apparently as caloric as 1.5 hamburgers at McDonald's, this is probably a lighter version because it's homemade. So there you go. So let's get started. So first, I want to place some vanilla ice cream, some milk, some peppermint extract, and some green food coloring into a blender and pulse until smooth. Then just pour it into glasses, top with some whipped cream and a maraschino cherry, and you are done. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. This is so simple, but I think they're so pretty and they're so good. Oh my gosh, I was drinking this as I was like editing another video, and it's like the perfect drink to just like drink when you're working. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But yeah, it's so good. It's basically just like a mint milkshake, which is delicious, and it's green for St. Patrick's Day. So if you try this out, definitely let me know if it tastes like the ones at McDonald's, or if it tastes better, or if it tastes worse. Give me all your feedback and send me photos at pankobunny on Twitter or Instagram. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for an on-it video.